Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the room we stayed in at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. And this is the hotel. It's very grand and luxurious and just a really, really nice stay. We actually stayed here for my husband's birthday, so it was a real treat for us to stay here. And I wanted to show you how beautiful is this at night. We didn't go during Christmas time, but it was lit up like this. And it's right across from the Disneyland Park entrance, so that's really cool and convenient. This is just the hallway going to the room. I wanted to capture all these details because, as you can see, this hotel is like very grand and has a very charming old old charm to it, and I really loved it. This is the seating area where you can get ready in the mornings, and right to the left is the bathroom. As you can see, the bathroom, the actual toilet and tub and sink are all separate, which is typical for Japanese hotels. And I actually really like that. That way, the whole family can use the bathroom, even if one person is showering or using the actual toilet, then there's still space for everyone to wash their hands and stuff like that. These are the amenity kits, which were really nice, and little cups for the kids. We took those home as souvenirs, and it's a nice way to remember our time here. This is the shower area. So there's a bath and a shower, as you can see. So there's both options, which is great for kids. And there's this door that closes. So if someone's in there, someone else can still wash their hands or use the bathroom, which is really nice. And going to the hallway area, there's this very large mirror. And there's actually hidden Mickeys in the wallpaper, as you guys can see right there on the left. This is the electric kettle. They had some really nice fine china coffee cups and water cups there. And there is a little refrigerator. I don't think I captured it, but if the refrigerator is there underneath that area. And all of the hotels gave us pajamas for the adults and the kids and slippers, which I think is just such a great touch and something you don't see often. Right there is a chaise bed, and these two beds, they call them double beds, but they're really narrow. They're more like twin beds. But you can look at the decor here. I just love this decor. This bed on the right of the screen has a trundle underneath it. So it actually slept five people very comfortably. Me and the baby shared. And it was just a really nice fit and a good size room. You hear how Japanese hotel rooms are really small, but this one was actually a really good size. And I just love the decor. It made me feel like I was staying in a castle. Um, it just gives you that kind of vibe and really nice. I loved all of the details. Like this chair is so nice and it had this big window seat, which my kids could all sit and enjoy, look out the window. And they gave us in those little packages on the table there are actually reusable bags that we took home with us. So that was a really nice um, gift from the hotel that we still use to this day. And this is the view at night. I wanted to give you a better shot without the reflection. But right across there on the right side of the screen is the entrance to Tokyo Disneyland. And that's actually at the train station. So if you took the train in, you get off and walk down. But if you stay in the hotel, you can literally just cross the street and you'll be at the park entrance, which was really cool. And another perk of staying here is that you get happy entry. So you get to enter the parks 15 minutes early, but there will also be a line from everyone else who's staying at the Disney parks. So we didn't get to take advantage of that because by the time we showed up and lined up, the happy entry time slot was already taken. So it's really hard to get there early enough with kids. But if you don't have a ton of little ones like we do, you can take advantage of that perk. We're just showing you all the decor here and the design. But overall, a great experience. Love this hotel. I have a full tour coming up, so that will be the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.